Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra solution. Now we have to see this quadratic equation. How we can find the solution of this quadratic equation. So let's start. Solution see here 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So this equation has a two solutions because quadratic equation has a highest power is 2. So how we can find the factors of this quadratic equation? How we can find the solution of this quadratic equation? So by factorization method, by using factorization method, we can find the solution of this quadratic equation. So let's start. How we can find 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. For this we must know three things. First one is product. Second thing is sum. And third thing is factor. Okay. So how we can find the product? See here product. Coefficient of this x square, this term, and this constant term. Coefficient of x square is 2 and constant term is minus 3. So product of these two terms is 2 multiply 3, that is 6. 3 to the 6, that is minus 6. Then sum we get this middle term, that is 5. Sum is 5. So how we can get the factors? Factors are 6. Factors are 3 to the 6. 6 and 1. Factors are 6 and 1. Factors of 6 are 3 to the 6. 6 into 1 is equal to also 6. So here 1 is minus and 6 is plus. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we get the sum. If we multiply 6 plus 6 multiply minus 1, we get the product minus 6. Right? So now we have to find the solution of this quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. So we will come to this here. Now factors, how we can write? 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now see here 6 minus 1, here coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of x is 1, so 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, so now we have to factorize this. So take common from this first two terms. 2x we will take common, here we will take common 1. Okay, so take the common. Here we take common 2x. So here remain only x. Here plus 2 3s are 6. Here minus 1 we will take common. Here remain minus, this x becomes minus, plus x, minus 3 becomes plus 3 equal to 0. These are the common factors. So we write this common factor in one bracket, that is x plus 3 into, in second bracket we write 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of this. We can compare this. X plus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now x equal to, transfer this plus 3 from LHS to RHS. This side we can transfer. So we get x equal to, plus 3 becomes minus 3, or here 2x equal to minus 1, transfer from LHS to RHS. So minus 1 becomes plus 1. Here x equal to, divide both side by 2. So we get, divide both side by 2, we get 1. Here also divide by 2. Here 2 will be cancelled. So here we get x equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of x equal to 1 by 2, and here x equal to minus 3. Okay, so this is the solution of the quadratic equation. Now see here, quadratic equation has a two values. Highest power of quadratic equation is 2. So it's two values. Okay, so see the values of this. X equal to, here x equal to minus 3. This is the first value of x, and x equal to 1 by 2. This is the another value of x. This is the another value of x. Quadratic equation has a two values. So if you are new on the channel, so subscribe the channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the whole video.